Hey, it's Latoya Watts, also known as LT, and welcome to another video. Thank you for tuning in, and I want to congratulate you on landing on this traffic and sales training. Alright, so we're just going to dive right in. So let's get started. So in this video, you're going to learn how to get traffic to your link. A lot of you may be starting a business and or have affiliate link where someone tells you you have to send traffic to your website. All right, so what does that mean to the beginner or the newbie just getting started online, or to someone in a business that doesn't know anything about marketing or don't know how to get traffic to their offer? This video is going to take you through a step-by-step process and show you exactly how to get traffic like a pro, so that you can get sales that convert on steroids. Okay, so let's dive right in. Once you arrive to udemy.com, all right, and let me just go back a bit and explain to you a little bit about Udemy. All right, so Udemy is a website where people sell traffic, all right, and you can purchase visitors to your website. All right, so what I like about Udemy is that Udemy is going to save you money. Why? Because you never pay for bot, duplicate, or useless traffic. All right, Udemy users, they have an in-house filter to remove low quality visits automatically, all right, versus its competitors. All right, so they also use the best protection, meaning they have an automatic system that monitors all user activity and help fraud risk specialists to eliminate both scam buyers and sellers. So this site is definitely reputable. All right, so once you arrive at udemy.com, you want to sign up. And you're going to see this big blue button. All right, you're going to click sign up. And it's going to prompt you to either sign up by either email or phone number. Either option, you're going to enter your information, right? Then it's going to tell you to submit a 4-digit identification PIN. All right, that's simply the number that they send to either your phone or your email. You want to enter that 4-digit PIN and enter done. All right, so because I have an account already, I'm going to go ahead and log in. Okay, so once you're logged in, there are a few ways to find vendors to order traffic. Okay, so the first is going to be solo deals. Just going to click on solo deals, and you're going to arrive at a page where you see a ton of different vendors. All right, and the first thing you're going to notice is how much the vendor charges per click. As you can see, 40 cents on down per click. Some charge 64 cents a click. Okay, so when you start sending traffic to your link, you're going to have to do your research. You don't want to just arrive at Udemy, select any vendor, send them your link, and buy your traffic. You don't want to do that. You want to do your research, okay? So you want to look for how many likes the vendor has, all right? You also want to look at the reviews. You want to look at the number of reviews, and from the buyers, as well as them reporting the number of sales. Okay. And when you look at this information, you want to look at this information over a 3-week time span. So you want to make sure everything is up to date. All right. So let's look at some of these different vendors. Okay. Let's just click on this one. All right. So when you're testing your vendors, you want to start at least 100 clicks. No more or no less, okay? And base filter should already be checked. And it can't be turned off because it saves you money by ignoring junk, useless, and duplicate traffic. So you want to make sure base filter is always checked, okay? As well as 100 100 visitors, and then you want to look at the number of visitors. You want to look at the reviews, okay? So you're just strolling down. And these are current. They're telling you how many clicks they bought, but you want to be looking for these thumbs up buttons just to see whether they got sales or not, okay? Good solo. We'll use again. So what I'm pretty much looking for is to see if that particular vendor and his reviews, if he got sales or not. All right, so about 3 or more sales, then you know that you have a potential good vendor to test for sending clicks to your website. All right, so this one says awesome provider. He ordered 300 clicks, got 3 sales. He's super stoked. They're new. Okay, so as long as you see 3 or more sales from that particular vendor, then they are potentially a good candidate to use to send your traffic, okay? So you definitely want to pay attention to your reviews. Pay attention to the thumbs up, all right? Whether it's green or red. If it's green, more than likely they have got either 1 or more sales. Sometimes it's not going to mention how many, but if they leave a good review, they're going to let you know how many sales that they got from that particular vendor. So You just want to go through and click on different vendors until you find one to do a test run with. All right. So the other way to find different vendors to get you traffic, and this is a bit more extensive, you can click on find sellers. All right. And here you can see the price per click, if they got sales. Um, you can enter um, how many visitors you want. You can niche it down. All right. So you pretty much can customize what you're looking for here. Okay. So we're going to go over how to purchase a solo ad. All right. So I haven't done my research on these particular vendors. So just for the sake of training, we're just going to click on Khaled. All right. He charges 69 cents per click. All right. So what you want to do is always select 100 visitors if you're doing a test run. All right. No more, no less. You definitely want to choose base filter. It should already be highlighted. And you also want to check only top tier. All right. Which means you'll receive visitors from the US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, Singapore. Okay. So these top tier traffic is English speaking countries and countries with um, money who are looking to do business. All right. So it doesn't matter about the only mobile, no mobile. You don't have to worry about these options. Then you want to enter your website. All right. So um, all right. Once you enter your website, you want to leave I have ad text blank because you want to allow the vendor to create their own ad copy because they know their buyers list. Okay. So definitely leave this button checked. Give this other option to send earlier than scheduled, meaning they can send your traffic earlier. Okay, so then you want to add to cart. Oops, that was just a typo error. So make sure you have your information typed in correctly before you add to cart. And then you're going to have the option to either pay by PayPal or credit card, okay? And then you're going to submit your traffic. So I hope you have got value out of this video and you now know how to send traffic and go about getting high quality traffic the correct way. So go ahead and click on the link below to create your free account for Udemy, and also hit that subscribe and bell button on my channel so that you receive notifications for future tips, trainings, and marketing strategies. Good luck on your business ventures, and I'll see you on the next video.